Hey guys, today I'm going to make some spaghetti in the Instant Pot. I'm not going to pressure cook this, I'm just going to use this more like a stovetop pot. I have a stove, but it's really small and it's in the corner, so I hardly ever use it. It's kind of hard to get to. So I put a little over 2 quarts of water in there, and I'm going to turn this to saute on high, and we'll let that water get boiling. I'm going to add just a little bit of oil. This is avocado oil, so maybe the pasta won't stick together as much. And I'll get the lid on there just to keep the heat in. As soon as that gets boiling, we'll put the pasta in there. Looks like this is starting to boil. There we go. Okay, I'm going to use angel hair pasta for this. I like angel hair pasta. This is a 1 pound package. So, let's see. I like to kind of break it up so it's easier to eat. So, break it up into like thirds. Okay, get a little bit more, I think. Alright, looks like I used about half the box. Now just keep an eye on it till it's soft. This cooks pretty fast. It's been about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. I think that's good. Shut the pot off. Now, I'm going to get it out of there and pour it in a strainer in the sink. I'm going to use pre-made sauce for this, and I'm going to put some Portuguese Linguica Sausage in it. This is an 11-ounce package, and I already used half a link of it, so that would be probably about 8 ounces. But you can use other types of sausage if you prefer, or you could use ground beef. You could put a pound of ground beef in there and brown it up. So what I'm going to do is just take it out of the casing like this and crumble it up into pieces. And just brown those up. Alright, so I'll just crumble this all up into pieces. And I'm going to brown it up. I'll do the same with that other length there. Now I'll brown this up. I'm setting my pot to saute on medium. This is looking good. I don't know if there's really enough fat in there to bother draining it. Plus that fat will give it some flavor. So, you know, if you use ground beef, you might have to drain it. It's just kind of your call. Anyway, I had to just add the pasta sauce. This is a 45 ounce jar. So get that in there. Let everything kind of cook together and simmer for a little bit. And we'll be ready to go. I use this glass lid a lot. I got it off Amazon. It's pretty handy. So anyway, we'll get that off of there. Sauce has been sitting in the pot for a little bit. I put some noodles on a plate, some pasta, and we'll just put it right over the noodles here. Okay, let's try this out. That's just 3 ingredients: pasta, sausage, and sauce. I didn't add any extra seasonings at all. So we'll see how it is here. That's good. Linguiça is good in spaghetti. It might be a little spicy for Annie. Let's see if she likes the noodles. I guess she thinks they're alright, but she'd probably rather have a chunk of meat. You could do that one on the stovetop as well. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.